The verse of the day.
It says here, when the angel of the Lord appeared to Gideon, he said, "The Lord is with you, mighty warrior." So this verse, it directly mention intercessor. It does not directly mention to intercessory prayer, but it connects powerfully to each and everyone during our prayer. First, God sees potential despite of our weakness. So even though we have weakness, my dear friends, as in intercessor, Gideon saw himself as the least in his family, but the wicked, from the weakest clan. But yet the angel calls him a mighty man of valor before he was done anything courageous. So sometimes we think ourselves that I'm not worthy to pray because I am like this, I am like that. But God calls you to stand in prayer. So don't mind. Sometimes Satan will inject in your mind that you are not worthy, but God calls you to pray, my dear friends. So intercessors often feel weak, unseen, or ineffective. Sometimes we feel I'm not effective. I feel weak. But God says in your heart. But God calls the and equips people to stand in the gap, and you are the one who stand in the gap for the people who in need of prayer, my dear friends. God says in our prayer life, as a mighty, even when you don't. God's presence empower us. So the presence of God empower us that we can continue praying. So the Lord is with you. In is the key praise. God assures Gideon that he will not alone. God assures us that we are not alone. We are not alone in Shout Biba. God is a mighty warrior within us. He is a warrior. The message of the song, the mighty warrior. So he is with us, my dear friends. That's why we don't stop praying. Although we can say that sometimes we're just this few, but don't despise the few number of people, because God is a great warrior within on that people. You are not praying alone. God is with you. The power of intercession isn't in eloquence or strength, but God's presence backing you up in your prayer. So the presence of God is backing up during our prayer. So the Spirit helps us in our weakness to intercede. So uh, God chooses to work through our prayers. He empowers ordinary people, though through His presence. We are ordinary people, my dear friends. So God empower us to uh, to make an extraordinary, in order that people outside that needs prayer, we can stand and prayer. So whether we like it or not, if you see the news in different places of the world, in Germany, in all parts of the different places of the world, a lot of kanang tragedy, disaster that happened, that even you think to yourself that, Lord, what happened to the world for today? That's why, as a prayer warrior, as an intercessor, we don't stop praying, my dear friends, because God is doing things in order that people will awaken, in order that people will be open their spiritual understanding nowadays. It says pag intercessor involves seeing people not as they are, but as God calls them to be. Your prayers are part of God's strategy to raise up mighty warriors, even if sometimes we are even sometimes that we don't believe. But I said here, it says here, to raise up mighty warriors, even they don't yet know they are. So, my dear friends, this is a reminder to each and everyone. This is a call to God to each and everyone, that God is bringing us to the higher level in prayer, so that there will be people who standing in the gap in prayer, because a lot of people for today, they didn't know what to do if they are affected in the situation. Sometimes the people will lead to to suicide, because they feel that they are hopeless. You are the God's vessels to be used for these people in many ways, in reaching, bringing food, in prayer. So everything that we do for the glory of God, God counted on that in heaven. He will account it to you. One day He will say to you, "Well done, my good and faithful servant."